So students, let's quickly go through a short summary. History is a continuous dialogue between the present and the past, helping us understand today's world through earlier societies and events. The Earth has an extremely long history, and human existence forms only a small part of it, which historians and scientists uncover through evidence left behind beneath the Earth's surface. Different cultures have used different methods to measure time, often beginning new eras with significant events such as the birth of a leader or a ruler's reign. Today, the Gregorian calendar is widely used alongside Hindu, Muslim, Jewish, Chinese, and other traditional calendars. In global usage, years after the birth of Jesus Christ are denoted as CE, Common Era, while years before this point are marked BCE, before Common Era. Our timeline helps us visualize events in chronological order and understand which events happened earlier or later. To measure long spans of time, historians use terms like decades, 10 years, centuries, 100 years, and millenniums, 1000 years, counting them forward in CE and backward in BCE. India's traditional calendar system, expressed through the Panchanga, relies on the movement of the sun and the moon and provides detailed astronomical and cultural information. To reconstruct history, historians use a wide variety of sources such as objects, monuments, inscriptions, manuscripts, tools, pottery, coins, sculptures, and even personal items like diaries or photographs. Like pieces of a jigsaw puzzle, these sources help build an understanding of the past, though many pieces may be missing or contradictory. To interpret these sources, historians collaborate with archaeologists, epigraphists, anthropologists, linguists, and scientists whose studies, such as climate research, chemical analysis, and genetics, offer new insights. For more recent history, newspapers and electronic media also serve as valuable sources. The chapter also provides a glimpse into the early history of humans. Modern humans, Homo sapiens, have lived on Earth for about 300,000 years, facing harsh natural conditions and surviving as hunters and gatherers in groups. Early humans sought food and shelter, believed in natural forces, used fire, made stone tools like axes and blades, lived in caves, and created rock paintings representing daily life. Over time, humans made simple ornaments and exchanged them with other groups. Climatic changes, including the Long Ice Age, shaped human life significantly. After the last ice age ended around 12,000 years ago, warmer conditions encouraged people to settle near rivers, cultivate crops, and domesticate animals like cattle and goats. These river valleys provided fertile soil and enough water, allowing communities to grow in size. Social structure became more complex. Communities worked collectively, and leaders or chieftains guided group welfare. Villages formed, exchanged goods, and eventually grew into towns. Important technological advances such as pottery and the discovery of metals like copper and later iron helped improve tools and daily objects. These developments laid the foundations for organized societies and future civilizations. Despite many challenges, early humans survived and adapted, making possible the progress of humanity. In summary, this chapter highlights how time is measured in history, how timelines help in understanding historical sequences, and how different sources, archaeological, literary, scientific, and oral, enable historians to reconstruct the past. It also traces the journey of early humans from hunters and gatherers to settled farmers who built complex communities. Understanding these aspects helps us appreciate the long journey of human development and the importance of studying the past to understand the present. Thank you for watching. Learn smarter and practice better. Download our app.